Imagine a world where your vacuum cleaner doesn't just pick up dirt, it extends its own life, maintaining peak performance for years. Welcome to the world of the Oreck XL X10 Life Vacuum Cleaner. This isn't just a vacuum cleaner, it's a revolution in home cleaning, combining innovation, durability, and power in one sleek package. The Oreck XL X10 Life Vacuum Cleaner is no ordinary machine. It's an advanced cleaning powerhouse designed to make your life easier. One of its most impressive features is the X10 Life motor. This isn't your average motor. It's engineered to extend the life of the vacuum cleaner by preventing the buildup of dirt and debris. This means your vacuum cleaner will keep running at peak performance even after years of use. What's more, this vacuum cleaner isn't just powerful, it's smart. With the HEPA inner bag, it captures at least 99.97% of particles at 0.3 microns from the air, which includes pollen, dust, smoke, animal dander, and mold spores. So while you're cleaning your house, you're also purifying your air. Now that's multitasking. But that's not all. The Oreck XL X10 Life Vacuum Cleaner also boasts the direct suction path. This feature allows for more dirt to be vacuumed up at once, making your cleaning tasks quicker and more efficient. And let's not forget the helping hand handle, which has received the ease of use commendation from the Arthritis Foundation. This ergonomically designed handle reduces strain on your hand and wrist, making vacuuming a breeze. And for those hard-to-reach places, the Oreck XL X10 Life Vacuum Cleaner has you covered with the edge brushes. These specially designed brushes reach right to the edge of your rooms, ensuring no dirt or dust is left behind. In summary, the Oreck XL X10 Life Vacuum Cleaner is more than just a cleaning tool. It's a cleaning partner, designed to extend its own life and maintain peak performance. With its X10 Life motor, HEPA inner bag, direct suction path, helping hand handle, and edge brushes, it doesn't just clean your home, it transforms it. And while it's doing all that, it's also purifying your air, making your home a healthier place to live. Experience the difference with the Oreck XL X10 Life Vacuum Cleaner. Because when it comes to cleaning, good just isn't good enough. You deserve extraordinary.